This is water this time, not cold coffee. Today I'm going to talk about how you can make money with something that's hopefully already near and dear to your heart. This is going to get a little bit serious. I know I've been making a lot of videos going over really fast hacks on how to make a little bit of money. Nothing that you can make life-changing income with, but it's one of my goals to get as many people to take making money online to the next level. Not just making, $10 a week, $20 a month. Like I'm talking like being able to make $100 a day or more. So the clap woke you up. I know when I clap in videos, people are like, "What did you clap in the video? We need my earphones. We need." You need to wake up for this one, because this one you just got to pay attention to. Before you pay attention to it, go ahead and give the video right now a like. Also subscribe if you haven't already. Why do you want to subscribe? Well, if you're interested in getting videos from me that go over sites, business opportunities, and strategies you can start doing literally today, anytime you watch the videos, to make some extra money online. If you like that type of content, then you listen, just subscribe. Okay, just subscribe. Where we're going to go is a place. Let me just scoot this on up here. We're going to Medium. Medium.com. All right. Today's video is about blogging, but hopefully not boring blogging. I did some research on one of the fastest blogging platforms you can get a part of to start making money as soon as possible. This is something, if you've got a hobby, something or a skill that you're really good at and you have a lot of information on, and you know a lot of other people would want, some information on whatever it is, blogging is something you may want to consider. If you've considered it before, maybe you've tried it before, maybe you failed, there's like really advanced ways of blogging and just technical stuff, and it stops people from wanting to actually start a blog. But this is something that you can do to kind of get your foot in the door, getting some small wins, making a little bit of money, and saying, hey, I think I could do this. I think I could scale this. But Medium basically is a platform people go to not only soak up and absorb content. You can go on here to read other people's blogs and stuff like that, but it can also be for creators, content creators. But basically, this is going to be one of the easiest ways to start a blog if you've always wanted to do it. Plus, you can actually get paid on this platform. This platform is paying creators. It's almost kind of like how YouTubers make money from YouTube sometimes if they're monetizing their channels. It's somewhat like that. Go ahead and press get started. I'm gonna go ahead and press sign up with Facebook. That's like the easiest way to sign up for everything. To me, that's just what I do. We're gonna select some topics here before we can just start blobbing and writing ourselves here. Pick travel and space. No, business. We can, read and things like that if you want. If you want to go through some blogs and you're similar in the niche that you want to kind of get in to kind of get an idea of what people are doing and things like that, you can go ahead. But you want to know how easy it is to start writing little blog posts on this platform? You go over to wherever your face is, wherever your account is, and literally select new story. Title, tell your story. You can add pictures here, you can add videos. I mean, you could do coding, you could do a whole bunch, but this is it. No setting up a hard freaking WordPress blog or some other kind of thing that you're gotta figure out all this technical crap. I mean, this is just like for beginners. This would be blogging for beginners if you just want something so you can kind of get used to, creating content on a daily basis. Like I said, this is to get your foot in the door when it comes to something you possibly have thought about in the past, never did because it just seemed too technical. This is a platform you can come on, whether it's about cooking or whatever niche it is. It may be slightly competitive, but trust me, it's not as competitive as trying to rank a Google blog for certain niches, or even making a YouTube channel and competing for that kind of space. This is, like I said, a good starting point for any person that wants to make a little bit of money blogging. And then after some time, maybe you grow out of Medium. Maybe you do go on to WordPress. You've got a feel of what your content's going to be, who you're going to target, things like that. And there you go. Hope you give it a shot. Again, this is a little bit different from the other sites I've been sharing, but I think it's something that's a little bit more serious, something that with time can turn into something that is making you a decent amount of money, not just a little bit of money, you know, here and there. Preferably if you already are knowledgeable about a certain area in life or a certain hobby or skill, that's maybe something you would want to write about. Somebody that doesn't have anything you would want to write about, I mean, you blog, you can still try blogging, but you'll probably find it hard to stick with it. But I know what you can stick to. You can stick to the like button. Go ahead and just stick to it right now. Just click on it right now. Subscribe if you haven't already. And again, if you want to know one of my personal ways I make passive income online from home, I literally make, look, this is my office. I make these videos in my bedroom. Some people think it's weird. I never really put that much thought into it because I just did this out of convenience. You know, literally my office is steps from my bed, and I've been doing this for like 6 years full time, the last 6 years full time. I want to learn how to do that. I mean, this is proof. I'm literally in my bedroom, dude. Like, it's crazy. Anyways, if you want to know, click the link, first link in my description below, to see what it is. It does take a more serious person. I'm not going to say this is something, it's not a get rich quick thing. It's not something that, oh, it's just, you know, just something that just works in 2.5 seconds. No. But if you're really wanting to change your life when it comes to breaking out of the rat race, it's something that could be for you. Go ahead, click that first link, and I'll see you on the other side.